Dynamic arrays might be the best way to manipulate customer lists that you have these days. So, an interesting way of making an array. So, sometimes you have very long customer lists and you'd like to make sure that they're all unique. And so, I'm going to go to sheet 2 and I'm going to go equals and I'm going to type out the word unique. And I'm doing opening bracket, and then I'm going to go and select my list here from the beginning till the end. And then I'm going to close the bracket and press enter. And it's going to give me just the unique entries of this list, which is very handy. Now, to reference this list, all we have to do is if we go equals A and then a pound sign, we get the whole list. So there it is right there, and it's brought up for you just by putting the pound sign. So when I use that in my formulas, I'm referencing the entire list. Now, if you go equals lower, and then you go to your A1 with a pound sign behind it, what you're going to do is you're going to get all of the text displayed in lowercase. So there you go. All the Captain Crunch has now got small c's. So that's handy for sometimes you have things that are in the wrong case and you could always go upper for the other way doing the same thing. Now with this array, you can take parts of it, the parts that you need. So what you can do is you'll go equals and take. And what we're going to do is we're going to put an opening bracket and then we're going to put the A1 and then we're going to put a pound sign on it so it knows that you want to take this from the whole array. And you're going to put a comma and you're going to put 3. And that's going to give you the first 3 rows of your list. Now, same thing. You can delete this and you can go You can also go equals take opening bracket. And what we're going to do is we're going to take the first 3 columns from our list. So we're going to go A1 with a pound sign on it to show we want the whole array. And then we're going to put comma, comma, and then we're going to put 3. And we're going to take the first 3 columns from our list. Okay. You also have the drop function. So for example, if you wanted to have this list without the headings on the top of it, you can use the drop function. So we're going to go equals drop opening bracket, and then we're going to take our A1 again with a pound sign. And then what we're going to do is we're going to comma 1. And so we were going to drop the first row. So now we just have our list without the headings on it. So that works fine. So let's try another drop function. I'm going to press delete on this. Now, let's say we're only interested in everything. We're not interested in the phone numbers here. We just like the names and we're going to email them. So it doesn't make much difference what the phone number is. So let's drop the phone number. So we're going to go equals drop. And then we're going to go once again with a pound sign on it so we get the whole array. And then we're going to go comma, comma, so 2 commas. And we're going to go negative 1. So we're going from the right side and we're losing 1 column. And then here we go. And there you have our whole our whole array minus the phone numbers. So as you can see, dynamic arrays are a great way of manipulating a customer list. Please subscribe.